In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a clothing store in GoDaddy Website Builder step by step. If you've been wanting to start your own online clothing brand, thrift shop, boutique, or fashion store, this is one of the easiest ways to get started without any coding or technical experience. By the end of this video, you'll have your very own clothing store website ready to edit and publish. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and business tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to GoDaddy.com and sign in to your GoDaddy account. If you don't already have an account, you can quickly create one for free using your email address. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select My Products. This section shows all the services and tools connected to your account. Next, look for the option that says Set up a free website and click on it. GoDaddy will now begin guiding you through a short setup process to build your website. The first thing it will ask is what features you want for your website. Since we're creating a clothing store, select Sell with an online store. This is important because it enables e-commerce features like product listings, shopping carts, and payments. After selecting that option, click Continue. Now, GoDaddy will ask what kind of business you have. From the list of business types, choose Clothing Store. This helps GoDaddy customize the design and layout to match a fashion-focused business. Once selected, click Continue. Next, you'll be asked what you want to call your business. Enter your clothing brand name here. For example, you could type something like Urban Threads, Thrift Haven, Style District, or any name you've chosen for your store. After entering your business name, click Continue. Now you'll need to enter your contact details. This typically includes your email address, phone number, and possibly a business address if you have one. These details can be displayed on your website so customers can reach you. Fill in the required information and click Continue. After that, GoDaddy may ask you to add some context about your business. This is where you can briefly describe what your clothing store offers. For example, you might say you sell vintage fashion, streetwear, handmade apparel, or affordable everyday styles. Adding this information helps GoDaddy generate relevant content and design suggestions for your website. Once you've completed these steps, click Next, and within a few seconds, your clothing store website will be automatically created. Yes, it's really that simple. Now your website template is ready, and this is where you can start customizing everything. You can edit your homepage text, change images, update colors to match your brand, and upload your logo. To add products, go to the Store or Product section and start adding items like shirts, hoodies, dresses, or accessories. For each product, you can upload photos, write descriptions, set prices, and manage inventory. Make sure to also explore the settings area where you can configure payment methods, shipping options, and tax settings. This is very important if you plan to actually sell and accept payments from customers. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click on the Preview button to see how your website will appear to visitors on desktop and mobile. Always double-check your product pages, pricing, and navigation before going live. When you're ready, click Publish to make your clothing store live on the internet. GoDaddy will give you a free domain with branding, or you can connect a custom domain if you have one. And that's it. You've successfully created a clothing store using GoDaddy Website Builder. As you can see, the process is straightforward and beginner-friendly, making it perfect for anyone starting an online fashion business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step website and e-commerce tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.